You know, once, and time is going against me, but I got to share this. I wouldn't say the country and the place, but once after Jummah, myself and some brothers went for Jummah, and the people in that town, one man invited us for lunch. Big house, wealthy, rich, top of the line. Well, I had no choice because I went with the people. Brother Wahid will tell you, when I go in Dawah, look, he's sitting right there. I said, brother, before we go to the masjid, let's make every possible excuse to not accept any invitation after Jummah. Last khutbah we went to in a masjid in Orlando, we didn't even want to sit and eat. The people forced us and gave us food. I told them, let's go. We went to the side of the road by a lake, and we packed up and eat. That's my style. That's from my experience. We packed up, look, he's there. Packed up to the side of a lake and ate like beggars, as opposed to sitting with the rich and eating. You will now wonder why, Basit, you probably wonder why I don't come by you all the time. It doesn't matter if it's sons, daughters, not at all. I don't care. This law applies to everybody. Brother, sister, children. When they think you in Dawah and Tabligh, they think you want something from them. Could be your wife, could be your children. Your own children might think you need something from them. Need them to come to the mosque, or you need some donation for the Dawah and the masjid and the Islam. Don't give them that opportunity to do that to you in the name of Allah. In the name of Allah. So I went to this place, myself and the brothers, and the host, wealthy man in town, biggest house in town, invite the sheikh for Jummah, after Jummah. I ended up going by force against my principle. And while we're eating, I'm like, those who know me, you know I'm very little picky. I take salad, I take this, I take sweets first, I take my sweets first, salad first. By the time I'm ready to eat, I can't eat. I'm eating a little bit. So the guy's like, come on, eat, Sheikh, come on, you need to eat. I said, no, I'm already filled. I took the soup, I took the salad. He said, you know, we had a Sheikh here last week. If he was here, he would have eaten all that food already, you know. I said, that's how you think of the imams and sheikhs? I didn't hear that, and I didn't read it online. He said, our imam came last week, would have eaten all this by now. That's how those who gossip with you, gossip about you. That's how people think. That's why I don't go to people's home without a reason. Because they will always think you came for something. Maybe a donation, maybe some food, or maybe something. Yeah, when you're in this deen, you gotta have some serious principles. And I share this with these boys in our classes, so they will learn that little system there.